Okay, so this is a pot free. Yes, Grandma.
I'm doing another onion. I accidentally burnt the previous one. I'm too busy with my YouTube video. My potatoes are also prepared. Now I'm going to put it on the stove.
Okay.
Just for it to fry a little bit. In a little bit of cooking oil. That is how I cook.
You don't have to. You can cook how you
can
want.
use the healthy way. I don't have time for healthy today.
Okay, now you put the potatoes with the onions. Onion. Oh yeah, I forgot to add and a little bit of water. And my little doggy. Okay, so now we have water with it. Have water with it. And the potatoes is in with the onions. I say onions, but it's onions. But yeah. So then you need to put in cream of chicken flavor soup mix into your chicken. Okay.
I mix the chicken flavoured soup with a bit of water, and then I add some of the broth which stayed over from the cooking of the whole chickens.
But you can put in any spices you have or you want. If you don't have the cost to buy the cream of chicken flavor, then you can put in any you have. Okay, say whatever say.
Now we are adding the chicken, which is previously cut into
Little pieces. And then we're gonna put in our soup mixture, and Grandma's spilling everywhere. Then we put in the broth and we'll thicken it with the soup mixture. Okay.
The chicken broth, you will see, is like the beef broth. It makes that gel which they use to
Make
pills. Tablets, yeah, for your sore wrists and your elbows and your knees and whatever. I'm adding more chicken broth because the chicken must not be too thick.
Okay. Okay, so the chicken boiled for 15 minutes, and now we're putting the soup. You see how nice it looks?
And then we are going to let it cool off completely and put it in the pie crust.
Okay, so here's the crust. We're gonna put it in. Okay, guys, this is a pot 3. We're just gonna wait for it. You just need to wait for a pot 3.